Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. So this is some diecast that I ordered at Amazon.de, the German Amazon. Not every country in Europe has its own Amazon. There's the UK, there's France, Germany, Spain and Italy. I could also order at Amazon.com, of course, the USA version, the original Amazon, but that would cost me a lot of money in shipping often, and if you order over 22 euro, at least in my country, you have to pay VAT and customs. So what's in this box was 25 euro, so that's already over 22. Now within Europe you don't have to pay VAT or customs when you import it. You just pay the VAT in the country where you order it, in this case Germany, and you don't have to pay customs or import duties or anything else. So that makes it much more interesting to buy locally, especially when I can get free shipping in France from the French Amazon and from the German Amazon. If I order above 25 euro at the French Amazon and 29 euro at the German Amazon. So let's take a look at what I bought. Oh, by the way, the only things I actually buy at Amazon.com USA are the jammers, the Plano Creative Options jammers that hold 48 cars to store the loose cars. You can buy them in the European Amazon stores of Germany and France, but it's still cheaper to get them from the USA, if you can buy them cheap at least. So also the assortment of the Amazon stores in Europe is very different. So you get some stuff that you also get on the Amazon.com USA, but they also have their own assortment. So what's in there, I don't know if this code is what is in there. I know what's in there, but I don't know if this is the code. And there's not 10 pieces in there, which should be 5, by the way, if you are focusing on that. So what was I saying? The assortments are different. So this I could not find on the French Amazon, for instance, this either. So every country that has their own Amazon has its own assortment. So it makes it hard to look for stuff because I have to check both the French and the German Amazon, but I don't do that very often. It's too time consuming, and I don't buy a lot of stuff online, but every once in a while I do that. For instance, when I can find this, I wasn't looking for it, I just stumbled upon it. So this is the Majorette version of the tuk-tuk. So this is actually only available in Thailand, where these vehicles drive, and I've never seen this in Europe in any of the countries where I go chasing for diecast. So here it says Majorette's tuk-tuk assortment. It's from September 2017, so already a little bit older, from last year. Paid $3.29, a little bit more than I would usually pay for Majorette, but you know, if I have to import this from Asia, it would cost me a whole lot more. So here you have the Thai words tuk-tuk, and then in the R writing, and here is the Thai flag. And they also have the Thai taxis and the Thai police vehicles. They also have this flag on their flag on the packaging. Too bad we can't get all these vehicles here in Europe. Would love to get those too, but you know, that's how it is. Matchbox also did the tuk-tuk. Here are the two Matchbox versions. I will do a comparison on these one day. Not that somebody will be interested in that, I guess, but would be just fun to do. It's way bigger than the Matchbox version, that's for sure. So I wanted this 25 euro, this 3.29, so I wasn't at 29 euro to get free shipping yet, so I ordered a random Hot Wheels basic car. So let's see which one I got. I hope it's not a fantasy car, because you know, who wants that? So let's see what's in here. Uh-oh, it is a fantasy car, of course. Lucky me. So well, what can you do? It's that or pay shipping, and I'm not willing to do that. So let's see what we have in here. So this is nicely packaged. Get rid of all this paper. So here is a set I found on the German Amazon. So this is the track day set, Hot Wheels Car Culture. I don't buy a lot of Hot Wheels car culture, first up because most of them aren't available here in Europe, and secondly, if I can find them, they are hugely expensive. With that I mean between 7 and 10 euro a piece. So when I'm able to find these for less than 5 euro a piece, I will pick them up. That's about the maximum I want to pay, 5 euro for a car culture car. I think that's a reasonable price. More than that, I'm out. Whoops, stuff coming down again. There's just way too much stuff around here. So this is number 5 of 5. We are going backwards. The Datsun Bluebird 510. This is actually the first version I have of the 510. Believe it or not, I've only been collecting since 2017. I do have the station wagon in a few colors, but the two-door I don't have. So these are metal body, metal base, and have real riders, so rubber tires. It's looking really smart. No tampos on the back, unfortunately. Something they started to do later on. These are made in Malaysia. So this is the complete set, but you will see those in a moment. So that's number 5 of 5. Let's see. Number 4 of 5, the Volkswagen Carmen Ghia. Kind of a teal color. Metal flake. Then number 3 of 5 is the 70 Chevy Chevelle. Then number 205 is the 78 Porsche 935 in a very striking red. And then my favorite, the Porsche 964. Blue base, red bumpers, blue interior, and a gray color. Very nice casting, and it seems to be the same as this one, although it has a different name. But no, it's not the same. This is the what they call the G model. This is the 964. Okay, nope, not the same. Definitely not the same. So very nice. It's a nice set. It's got 2 Porsches in there. It's got a VW in there. It's got a Datsun 510 in there. And then there's also this Chevy Chevelle that is pretty dirty by the look of it. If you look on the roof, you see, I think that's unacceptable for such an expensive car. These should be absolutely perfect. That's why I don't buy a lot of Hot Wheels car culture. If you would have to pay 7 to 10 euro for these, you know, that's like $12 US maximum. You would not want to see that on the roof of your car, don't you? This one has slicks on it. Do they all have slicks? Yeah, which would make sense because they're track day cars. Yep. Oh no, this one has threaded tires. It's the only one. The other ones have slicks. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more great stuff, there's much more coming because I'm still way behind on the chase reports. So I still have to film a lot of them. I did find some absolutely great, amazing stuff past weeks. So if you don't want to miss that, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.